Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to use your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to charge your friends, for example, phones. So to do that, first you have to go to settings, and here you have to find the battery. Should be right here. Just tap on that and scroll down until you see wireless power sharing. So let's tap on that and enable this feature. You can read about it, and you can also, if you disable the option, you can set the battery limit from which the option will be available. I'm going to set it at the lowest possible one, which is 30%, and as you can see, the feature works just by putting your phones in sort of like cross sign, and you can also charge your headphones and your watch and stuff like that. So let's test this feature. So I'm going to flip the phone right now, and I'm going to use my iPhone to demonstrate that this feature in fact works. So we have an iPhone 15 right here, and let's just put it like this, and as you can see, the phone is getting charged by this feature. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.